In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Betway account, how to bet with Betway, also how to deposit and withdraw your funds. So let's go ahead and get started. I will click and open Google Chrome app and then go to www.betway.co.za. Once that is open, I'll click sign up, and then here I'm going to put my details: phone number, password, name, surname, and email address. And then here where it says I have a sign up code, I'll just click that and then type 25 Rand for me. Okay, make sure it's in caps. Alright, so we're doing that so that we can get that 25 Rand bonus from Betway. Alright, once that is complete, make sure you enter your own password and then click next. Alright, then it will ask you an ID number, and then simply enter your ID number, and then that's all. Alright, after registration, if you have used that code, you will see here under free bet, there will be a 25 Rand free bet. Alright, the next thing that we want to do is to download this Betway app, so that next time we just click an app and then open instead of going to Chrome. So I will just click those three dots and then scroll down and then click add to home screen. Alright, you ask you add to home screen, and then just click add. Alright, so once you have downloaded that app, it will show here on the home screen. So what I'm going to do is to click here where it says Betway. Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna do here is to deposit. So to deposit, just come here on the bottom screen, then click on deposit. Alright, it's gonna take a moment to load. Okay, so there are so many deposit methods that you can use. There is Ozo. So Ozo is it's like using a bank account. So that's the one that I recommend. So just choose Ozo. If you have a bank account, simply use Ozo. There's credit card. There's also One Voucher. So One Voucher is a popular voucher that you can get from different stores like Flash, Pep, and ShopRite, Usave, etc. So if you are looking for this voucher, don't say I'm looking for Betway voucher, because they may not know it. So just say I'm looking for One Voucher. Or then there's also this one, OTT voucher. It can also be found from game stores, Cambridge Food, and then Rhino stores, etc. So using OTT voucher, you can also purchase this voucher online using a bank account. So I'll also recommend this one. So once you have bought that one voucher, click here where it says deposit, then enter your voucher, then click redeem. Or the same as OTT voucher, click deposit and then click redeem. So once you've deposited funds into your account, it's time to bet. So assume maybe I wanna bet for Arsenal. So what I'm gonna do is to come over here and then click search, and then type in Arsenal, and then click search. Alright, it's gonna show me all Arsenal games. Some of them are electronic games. So the one that I want is this one where it says Man City versus Arsenal Premier League game. Then if I want to bet for Arsenal, I'll just click here on top of Arsenal. Then if I want a different option, for an example PTS, I'll click where it says more bets. It's gonna take a moment to load, and then it's going to open all these options. So alright, so if I want both teams to score, I have to deselect this one and then click here where it says BTS. So if I also want a double chance, meaning Arsenal win draw, I'll just go for this one, double chance draw or Arsenal, so on and so on. You can even bet for games. If I think the game will be maybe over 3.5, that means 4 goals and above, then I'll just click here where it says over 3.5, so on and so on. So if I'm satisfied, so for example, if I wanted to go for straight win, Arsenal straight win, I'll just click on top of that and then come here on the top right of the screen, then click where it says bet slip, and then here I'll come and then choose the amount that I want to bet with. So if you've used that promo code, probably you may have that 25 rand free bet, so you can use it where it says bet amount. So just that I have an account already, so I don't have it. So I'll just come here and then select the amount that I want to bet with. So maybe I want to place 25 rand, and then here in the bottom it will show me how much um, I will get if Arsenal win. So that's 196 runs from 25 runs. So if I'm happy with that, I'll simply click bet now. Alright, so that's all for single bets. Then the most popular thing bet that people like is an accumulator. So that's combining many teams into one bet slip. Alright, Alright, I may just come here and then select the leagues that I want. It can be Premier League or Bundesliga, so on and so on. Then so for example, if I want a Premier League, I'll just click Premier League and then click update. Alright, so now it's showing me all these teams. So because Premier League games are a bit fast, so they may not show over here, so I'll just select these teams that I have here. So for example, if I want to bet for this one, it says Ferencváros and then Rio Ave, I'll just click on top of this one and then click on top of this, and then here if I think it's going to be draw, then I click on here. Then if I think Dinamo Zagreb is going to win, I'll just click on here, and then here it says bet slip. It will show me how many legs do I have. So now I have Arsenal, Rio Ave, Ferencváros, and then draw for this one. Then it will ask me an amount that I want to bet with. So here I'll just choose 25 rand, which is okay. And then here it show me that I'm gonna get something like 4,300 rands. Then if I'm happy with that, I'll just click bet now. Alright, that is all for soccer. Alright, so let's move forward to lucky numbers. So if I click here on top of lucky numbers, it's going to take a moment to load. Alright, once it has loaded, it will show me all upcoming draws and all those popular draws like Island Daily, Million, Ghost Lotto, so on and so on, and even UK49S. I think it's down here, I cannot say it. So for example, if I want to bet for Russia Ghost Lotto 645, so I'll just come over here and then click on top here. Then it's gonna present with me this dashboard that says one ball. If I bet 1 rand for just one ball, I get 7 rand. 2 balls, I get 58, so on and so on. So let me choose this one which says 3 balls. Then it will give me this ball so that I can select the numbers that I want. So let me go for 13, 22, and then 34. Then I'll click add. So once that is done, I'll just click view bets. Then here it will ask me the bet amount that I want to bet with. So let me choose 2 rand. Then it will show me that I will get something like 1,100 if those numbers come. Then if I'm happy, I'll just click bet now. Then successful, so that's all. Alright, then the other thing that I'm gonna show you is how to withdraw your winnings. So just come over here where it says menu and then click withdraw funds. Alright, so it's going to take a moment to load. So most probably you may withdraw using a bank. So if you're using a bank, choose where it says EFT. Then if you want to use Absa Cash Send, then choose Absa Cash Send, and then there's also FNB e-wallet. So yeah, those are the options that are available. So let's check again. Here you can also check your bets, your betting history, free bets, transaction summary, all those things, so on and so on. So maybe if you're not using Chrome, you can even download this app so that you may have that other app, but the best way is to use that maybe that I've shown you. Yeah, that's probably everything about Betway. So if you like this video, make sure you like and share it on Facebook groups share it on WhatsApp, everywhere if you think it's very useful. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. More videos will be coming. Thanks.